Hare Krishna. Tirupavai Pasuram 3, Song 3, which is sung during day 3 of Margazhi month or Margashirsha month. This is from Andar, the great Lady Alvar, means the great saint of Tamil Nadu from Vaishnava Sampradaya. I will first sing the song, then we will tell you the meaning. ஓங்கி உலகளந்த உத்தமன் பேர் பாடி நாங்கள் நம் பாவைக்கு சாற்றி நீராடினால் தீங்கின்றி நாடெல்லாம் திங்கள் மும்மாறி பெய்து ஓங்கு பெரும் சென்ன லூடு கயலுகல பூங்குவலை போதில் பொறிவண்டு கண்படுப்ப தேங்காதை புக்கிருந்து சீர்த்த முலை பற்றி வாங்க குடம் நிறைக்கும் வள்ளல் பெரும் பசுக்கள் நீங்காத செல்வம் நிறைந்தேலோரென் பாவாய். The meaning of the first line is, she is referring to Vamana Avataram, where the Lord took a gigantic form and he measured the entire universe with just 2 steps. And when he asked, where should I keep the 3rd step, because I already measured the entire universe with my 2 steps, Bali Maharaja offered his head. Even though Sukracharya stopped him, Bali Maharaja, being a devotee, went ahead with his promise and he said, you can take 3 steps of my land. So here she is praising the Lord. She is saying we need to chant the Lord's name who measured the entire universe with just 2 steps. And by singing his glories, we need to wake up early in the morning and take a ritualistic bath. By doing that, what will happen? Thingindri naadallam tingal mummari pedu. By doing that, it is not only benefiting them, that Pavai fasting, that Pavai Vratam is not only benefiting Andal and her friends, but it is benefiting the nation. How it is benefiting the nation is exactly 3 rains in 1 month should come. Only 3 rains, and not it is a downpour, a proper rain, sufficient rain should come 3 times in a month. Tingal Mummari Peidu means in a month 3 rain should come, like 9 days of sunshine and 1 day of rain. So if it is coming like that, then the nation will flourish. The agriculture will flourish. That is what she is saying. So when the nation is flourishing, it means the king's administration is good, Brahmanas are doing yajnas properly. So this is the meaning when there is a proper rain in the nation. So she is saying by chanting the Lord's name, by doing this Pavai fasting, even the nation will benefit. This is a sign of a devotee. She is not thinking only about herself. She is also thinking about the benefit of the humanity. Ongu perunsanna loodu kayalugala. Here she is talking about the flourishing agriculture in her town Srivilliputturu, Tamil Nadu. So she is saying the tall and swelling red paddy are there in her Srivilliputturu field. So in the field, in the red paddy field, there are fishes which are struggling to swim because of the thickness of the paddy, which is even taller, like that Ongi Ulagalanda Perumal. Like how the paddies are, it is very tall, like how tall was that gigantic form of Vamana. So like that red paddy was growing so tall, and also it is thick that the fishes are struggling to swim. How the fish came in the field? Because it is a practice to cultivate fish in the paddy field so that it will eat the mosquito larvae. So to eat the eggs of mosquito, fishes are cultivated in the field, and there is sufficient water in the field because of the correct 3 rains in a month. So she is talking about the rich agriculture in her town. You can imagine how thick is the field that fishes are unable to swim in that water. The next line is பூங்குவளை போதில் பொறிவண்டு கண்படுப்ப. Here she is talking about the blue lily flower which is blossomed, and there is so much honey that bees are coming, drinking, and they are intoxicated and they doze off peacefully in the flower itself. They are sleeping in the flower after drinking too much of honey. So she is talking about this richness of her town. And the next line is தேங்காதை புக்கிருந்து சீர்த்த முளை பற்றி வாங்க குடம் நிறைக்கும் வள்ளல் பெரும் பசுக்கள். Here she is talking about the wealth of her town. That is, she is going to talk about the cows. Cows are wealth actually. So she is saying the cows' udders are so big that the milkman is struggling to milk these cows. Why? Because it keeps on coming, like unlimited amount of milk keeps coming from that cow, from that single cow, that it is difficult to milk the cow because you need innumerable cans you need to fill. By even just if you touch the udder of the cow, the milk will automatically come. So that much healthy the cows are in Srivilliputturu. Why it is so healthy? Because of the sufficient rain, the grasses are so fresh that by eating those fresh grasses, the cows are so healthy. So this is how she is connecting the agriculture, the cow and the rain. And she is saying at last, நீங்காதே செல்வம் நிறைந்தேலோர் எம்பாவாய். So already Srivilliputturu is so wealthy and rich like this. She is saying by doing this Pave fasting, it will become even more wealthy. It will even flourish well by his divine grace, Vamana. So she is not only thinking about her benefit, she is also thinking about the town which she lives in. This is the sign of a devotee. They are not selfish. So that's the meaning of this. Hare Krishna.